Who doesn't like garlic? Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing, creamy garlic dip, phenomenal on crackers at a party. 4 simple ingredients: fresh green onion, a cup of Hellmann's mayo, 2 heaping tablespoons of garlic, and about that much Jarlsberg. I'm probably saying it wrong. Jarlsberg cheese. Crucial that it's this kind of cheese. So basically all we have to do is we're gonna grate this cheese. Now, the cool thing about this cheese and a lot of cheeses is it comes in a big pack, and I chunk it up and then I wrap it in cellophane and I freeze it. So you'll see as I'm grating it, the texture is a little bit different than what normally cheese looks like when you grate it, but it all gets mixed up, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, it's gonna cause me a bit of a mess here, but we'll work through that. Like I said, messy, but it's done. So I'm going to try to get the rest of this grated here. Try to clean up my cutting board a little bit. Toss that all in. So I'm going to put my 1 cup of Hellmann's mayo into my bowl. And the nice thing about this dip is it's something you can whip up in a matter of 5 minutes if you have everything on hand. So there we have it, Hellmann's mayo. We're gonna add in our cheese and our garlic. And I'm thinking I didn't pick a big enough bowl, but we'll see. So I'll just slowly start adding our cheese, and I am gonna get a bigger bowl. Take 2.
Scene 2, take 2.
All right, we're back. Now I can just dump that in. And I'll just continue to mix. And now I'm gonna slice some beautiful green onion from my garden. So it doesn't really matter how you cut these. Just gonna lop off those ends there. And I'm just gonna start cutting them into small pieces. They're just gonna give this dip some real nice freshness. So, we've got our green onions. Let's throw those in. So we'll bring that back over to our cutting board here. And we'll just continue to mix this. And like most dips, I find this, throw it in your fridge, let it sit overnight if you can, or at least for a couple hours, and let all of the goodness soak in. Give it a taste. If you like it more garlicky, you may want to add more, but you'll see it's got a beautiful consistency, tastes great, and in the fridge will help it firm up a little bit as well. And yeah, like I said, serve that on crackers or whatever. So there you go. Very quick, very easy appetizer for a party or for a get-together. Guaranteed to be a fan favorite. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you on the next episode.